2013 Ford Fusion with the 2.5 inline 4-cylinder. And today we've got a couple codes indicating that the throttle body is acting up. So we're going to go ahead and look at those codes and talk about replacing it. Over here at our little scan tool, you can see that we have a P2111 code, which is throttle actuator stuck open, and a P2112 code, throttle actuator stuck closed. So we're definitely having some issues with the throttle body. Another dead giveaway for these codes, every time I see these on Fords, the radiator fan will go full throttle the entire time you have the engine turned on. The radiator fan is just pushing and pumping as hard as it can. I don't know why. I don't know if I don't know if it's programmed to do that for some reason. I don't know why it does that, but that's a dead giveaway for these codes. Either way, let's go ahead, get this hood open. And located right here is our throttle body. This controls the intake for air into the engine. It's just a little butterfly valve inside there that opens and closes based on the electronic signal that's sent to this motor actuator from your throttle pedal. You have this little toggle switch right here. Just toggle that up and pull that straight out. This one, I think I'm just going to go ahead, see if I can't break it loose from back here. There it goes. All right. Flathead screwdriver. Disconnect the clips for the air filter box. Be able to do that. There it goes. Go ahead and take this out. You don't need to disconnect this harness. Just be mindful of it. Don't put any pressure on it. Go ahead and pull up on that red safety clip right there. And then press down, squeezing the clip together, remove and push it out of the way. And these throttle bodies are held on with 4 8mm bolts. And there's our old throttle body. You can see our butterfly plate in here. And this is the motor that controls it all. And for our replacement, we'll be using the Motorcraft throttle body. There's part numbers right here. Here's our brand new throttle body. Obviously, make sure you remove this nice little cover. Gasket right here, going onto the intake. Ours looks like it's already been replaced once before because I'm pretty sure that's a blue Felt Pro gasket right there, and ours still looks to be in really good shape, so I'm not going to replace it. But if you have yours and it looks questionable, just go ahead and replace it. Shouldn't be more than a couple bucks, and it'll end up saving you headaches if you are concerned about it in the future. And when we're putting these down, make sure you put them down in a crisscross fashion. Go ahead and reconnect our connector. press down on this side, slide it in, and then press down and reconnect the two locks. Bring this hose back around and reconnect. And finally, pop this hose back on. Good. And there you have it. And that's pretty much all there is to this job. If you'd like to see more jobs on this Ford Fusion, check out some of these videos, probably right around here. And if this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.